This is a big storm we've been having.
I'm worried about.
Our power's flickering on and off sometimes, and then there's a lot of lightning. And then, just rain. It was scary. Here, Shakur, sit there. Ow. 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 You're sitting there recording. You just watch lightning will go off and it will scare you. This is crazy. What's your opinion on this? Whoa!
Please tell me you got that.
Yes, I got that.
Let me see it.
I'm recording for you.
Just stop it.
As you guys know, it's just storming pretty bad.
Please stop
You
talking.
might die.
Okay, good enough. You got that lightning video.
I want another lightning. No, I'll stop it. Oh, there's a baby lightning, and I'm gonna stop it here in a minute and 15 seconds. So when it gets to a minute and 15 seconds, I'm stopping it. 3, 2, 1.